Bouncing the light from one flash can make such a difference. In this video, I show you how to aim one flash and where you bounce it. With one flash, it can make such a difference. Please save this video too. The flash we are using today is the Godox 8200. We are using a fashionable antique flower set. First, let's photograph without a flash and adjust exposure to the background's brightness. It is backlit, so the person's face has become dark. This time, we adjust exposure to the person, and while the brightness is good, the door there in front is too bright. All over the colors feel muddy. This time, let's return the exposure to match the background and use the Godox 8200. First, we aim it directly at the subject. Because the light is from the door and is too bright, the light hitting the person is too hard. This time, we try bouncing the light from the ceiling above the camera. The doors in front are brighter, but they are in the way and the light doesn't reach the person. This is a bad example. We want to avoid hitting the doors, so let's try bouncing the light from the right part of the ceiling. The light is soft from an upper diagonal and it looks good as is, but the subject looks flat, and we cannot see it as three-dimensional. Next, we bounce the light from the right wall at an angle to make a soft light. This time, the person looked three-dimensional. However, the doors on the front right side are also bright. This time, we aim towards the subject with a backlighting from the far right. There's highlighting and a sense of depth which looks nice, but still it bothers me that the door is too bright. The highlights are a bit hard. In order to lead the eyes towards the subject, we need to make the doors a bit darker. To make the light is a bit softer, we bounce the light from the back right wall. Also, we place a white reflector board at the front and bounce the light onto the subject and make sure the light doesn't hit the doors. The doors are darker, and the frame is now composed so that your eyes goes to the person. The highlights looks good. The light hitting the subject is soft. It all looks really nice with a three-dimensional look. Your image can change so much with one flash depending on where you aim and bounce it. One flash lighting is so interesting, right? Half backlighting looks beautiful, doesn't it?